Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some beautiful hair transformations. First up, we have someone who's cutting off pretty much all their hair. So this is actually a big trend right now. A lot of women are just shaving off all their hair. And if you have the right face for it, I think it could really be a beautiful look. So then we have someone else who is going to be cutting their hair off, and she is donating the hair. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. And it looks like she's going to be adding in some bangs. Oh, absolutely stunning. So she did end up getting more of like a shaggy haircut. Beautiful bangs in the front. Gorgeous. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, don't forget to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who has decided to dye their hair that beautiful reddish brown, dark copper color. Absolutely stunning. This color looks amazing on her. Love the waves. And then we have someone else who's decided to get some hair extensions. Beautiful waves were added as well. Wow, absolutely stunning blonde bob makeover. Gorgeous blunt cut. Her makeup and everything with the red lip and the blonde hair just looks amazing. So then we have this gorgeous bob makeover complete with curtain style bangs. Another very popular hair trend that we'll be seeing in 2023. Alright you guys, if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.